So there you have it, the third time that we've used the boat this summer. Only a quick blast out. It's a lovely late summer's evening. It's as flat as anything out there, and the tide's actually still coming in. We've got about another 20 minutes, but it is a Sunday. The kids have got school tomorrow, so it's now time to go home and have a barbecue and get ready for bed. But the boat's all packed up. Just got to shut these doors here, lock up, put everything in the bag, and we're good to go. On the next video, if you remember, I had an insurance claim because my boat got damaged in high winds at the end of last season when it should have been lifted out. I've now had the annual premium renewal come through, and there's been an impact to the annual premium, as you'd expect. So on the next video, I'm going to talk to you about what that premium impact has been. So any of you other boat versions out there, you want to know how much a potential insurance claim could cost you on your annual premium, look out for the next video. And for any of you other boat virgins out there that haven't liked and subscribed to this channel yet, please do me a favour, hit that like and subscribe. It really would be appreciated. I'm not trying to earn a living out of it, but it'd be lovely to see who's subscribing. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.